Hello, do you want to use voices with custom styles? Now you can with Kukarella. If you open voice library and choose support styles, you will see this new icon with flame. Internally we call it super style. It allows you to create custom styles for these voices, and it also offers you multiple styles which are built in. So let's choose few voices and I will show how it works. First, you see that there are lots of styles which were not available previously. Like think about sports coach or chill surfer or pirate, medieval knight, Santa, emo teenager, old-timey, serene, and so on. But let's say that you want something special, something custom. I created a few paragraphs and let's start with this one. Heavy, hollow, grief. Oh, no, that's too pessimistic. Let's start with this one. Tenderness, night story, gentle. Now let's go to the voice which we want to use. Let's listen to a sample of that voice.
During the Renaissance, Leonardo da Vinci wrote his notes backward, requiring a mirror.
So this is default. Now we click add new style and describe tonality of this voice. Let's say just gentle, tender. Okay, let's click save, and now let's listen this voice which will be using this style.
In the depths of the Pacific Ocean, volcanic vents create underwater lakes of superheated brine. These pools, denser than the surround.
Did you notice the difference? This is default.
The giant sequoia trees of California can live for more than 3,000 years.
And this is tender.
Deep in the Amazon rainforest, a remarkable orchid blooms.
You see the point. Okay, and yeah, let's choose tender for this one, and this one will be probably raging. Let's add new style. And listen to a sample.
The traditional Japanese tea ceremony can last up to 4 hours, following precise movements refined over centuries.
Okay, let's compare with default.
The world's largest desert is not the Sahara, but Antarctica.
See the difference. Okay, so let's go with raging. Yeah, remember to click update voice settings to save it. I don't remember if I select, no, I forgot to do that here. Let's update voice settings. And for Onyx, let's choose something built in, like maybe mad scientist. Let's see how it works. Okay, so we selected mad scientist. Yeah, it's saved, and now we click play, and we will compare how these voices read this text. Remember that It works in both text-to-voice converter in Kukarella and in Dialogues AI. Process is pretty much the same. You select voice, you create new style, and assign it to the text, or in Dialogues AI you assign it to the actors. If you want to change voice style for any paragraph, remember that you can do that in Effects panel. So here, for example, you see the whole list of all styles for each voice. Just if you want to change style for, let's say, for this voice, so it's mad scientist, yeah, but you want it to be sympathetic. So in this case, the Onyx will read all paragraphs as mad scientist except this third one, which will be read with in sympathetic style. Okay, so I changed style, so I have to convert again. Let's wait a few seconds and we will play these samples. Done. Okay, we're listening to Fable, who should be tender.
Rage, screaming, explosive. How many times must tenderness? Night story, gentle. The soft whisper carried dreams into the darkened room. Each word, a gentle stepping stone to slumber. Little eyelid.
So that was Fable, which we made tender. Nova is raging, so she should read this first paragraph, not Fable. I started playing by mistake, but let's listen to Nova.
Rage, screaming, explosive. How many times must I repeat myself before you listen? The words tore from my throat, scraping it raw with their force. Every syllable carried years of accumulated frustration, finally breaking free.
Done. Good. Quite explosive and screaming and raging. Now, Onyx. Onyx is a mad scientist, and remember that we changed third paragraph, and third paragraph should be sympathetic. Let's compare. Mad scientist for first paragraph.
Rage, screaming, explosive. How many times must I repeat myself before your listen? The words tore from my throat, scraping it raw with their force.
Okay, so that was mad scientist, and now here it's sympathetic.
Tenderness, night story, gentle. The soft whisper carried dreams into the darkened room. Each word a gentle stepping stone to slumber.
Okay, you see the difference. So those ones were mad scientist, this one is tender. You can trust this guy, he can read night story for a kid as a using sympathetic style, or sympathetic style. Okay, so this is how it works. Now, if you want to create voices with custom styles specific for your text, choose voices from our library with this fancy icon masks combined with flame, and customize as you want. If you want to experiment and you're not sure how to do it, when you click on create a new style, in this pop-up dialog you can see a try an example button. Click on that button and it will write down the style. In this case it's cheerful. This style is not in the list, so it's something new, and you can just replace it by the style you want to create. So instead of cheerful, put name of that style. Use this as a placeholder text. Just replace it with prompts for this style, which will probably work. But as you could see from my example, even with that simple prompt, combining 2 or 3 words, it worked. It still worked. And remember that you can modify this style. So for example, we created style tender. If you click on edit button, you can always add or modify this prompt, and that will change this style. So it's very, very powerful tool. Please use it and share your thoughts and feedback with us. Thanks for watching. I hope you will enjoy this new functionality. It's very new and it's very, very powerful tool. Have a great day. Bye.